Hello everybody! Now we are going to work with the site BrainPop. You have to log in, so here you can see the information. Now you copy the link that you will see on the platform, and so as to log in, that you can see it says here on the right, you write your username. As it says on the previous board, it is 2020 Junior for the username and the password Trinity 2020. Here we go. Have you learned a lot about birds? What about what you found out at home? Did you check information? Did you ask your parents or your older brother or sister? Now, you are going to watch a video to learn even more about birds. Here you are. Pay attention. Watch the movie as many times as you need. Later on, you will find another link for this same site to complete a quiz based on the information you watched. Have fun, enjoy!